In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add NS record in GoDaddy. We'll start right from your browser. Open Google, type GoDaddy, and click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're on the homepage, sign in to your account using your usual credentials. After you're logged in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name. From the drop-down, choose My Products so you can see everything associated with your account. On the My Products page, find the domain you want to work on. If you manage several domains, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one, since DNS changes affect how your domain resolves online. When you've identified the right domain, click it to open its settings, and then select DNS to access the DNS Management page. Inside DNS Management, you'll see your existing DNS records. To create a new one, click Add New Record. A small form will appear. In the Type drop-down, choose NS. An NS, or Nameserver, record delegates' authority for a domain or subdomain to specific name servers. This is commonly used when a subdomain is hosted with a different DNS provider. If you're trying to change the primary name servers for your entire domain, that's done in the Nameserver section, not by adding an NS record here. Next, fill out the name field. This is the host you're delegating. If you want to delegate a subdomain, type that subdomain, like blog or shop. If the NS record is meant for the root of your domain, you can usually leave this field as the default that represents the root, depending on how GoDaddy displays it in your account. In the value field, enter the target name server exactly as provided by your DNS host, such as ns1.example.com. Don't worry about trailing dots. GoDaddy handles formatting for you. If you were given multiple name servers, each one will be its own NS record, added using the same form and saved separately. Now choose the TTL, which stands for Time to Live. This controls how long resolvers cache the record. The default is typically fine. If you anticipate more changes soon, a shorter TTL can help new settings propagate faster, while a longer TTL reduces DNS lookups once things are stable. When everything looks correct, click Save. Your new NS record will be added to the list. Keep in mind that DNS updates can take time to propagate across the internet, so changes might not be immediate. And that's it. You've successfully added an NS record in GoDaddy.